Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make kakiage, which is a kind of tempura. This is so simple and yet really delicious. Please give it a go. First, I am going to make tentsuyu, which is a dipping sauce for tempura. I have half a tablespoon of soy sauce and just a quarter of a teaspoon of sugar. But if you have mirin, which is Japanese sweet sort of a seasoning, you can replace sugar by half a tablespoon of mirin. But today I'm going to use the sugar. And then I have a pinch of dashi stock. So this is fish-based stock in powder form, and I bought this in a shopping center, and it comes in a sachet like this, so it's quite handy. And then I have 2 tablespoons of water, and you mix it, and then you can heat up in the microwave oven for 30 seconds right before you serve. I've just peeled and washed vegetables. Now I'm going to slice them. Cut in half. Just get rid of these root bits so that it won't be all connected. I slice it this way. Now I slice the carrots. I will slice it in the angle like this. Then I will slice this way to make a thin julienne. Now I'm going to add the plain flour and then cornstarch. And before you add the water, you mix it well. Now it's mixed, I add water. Just bits by bits. Now it's mixed. You can see the butter is lumpy, but it's not, there's no flour left, so it's all wet butter now. So it's ready to fry. I'm heating the oil in a frying pan, and you don't need a huge amount of oil, but just enough to sort of float the contents. And to determine how hot it is at the right temperature, I would put a small piece of vegetable in it, drop it, and then it should sink but comes up fairly straight away. That's hot enough. I'm going to use chopsticks, but you can use a spoon or something to scoop it up. And you do not overcrowd the frying pan. Turn over a few times to make sure that everything's nice and brown. And I recommend using different chopsticks or different tongue to the one in the bowl because it has the dough. Now both sides are nice golden brown. It shouldn't take too long because all the vegetables are cut fairly thinly. So you can just shake the oil as much as possible and then put it on a rack like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.